If you're stuck at 6 and 7s and you want to get a 9, then you need to watch this video. At this point, you most likely already know the content already, but you have some gaps, but you can't point out what the gap is. So what you want to do is to firstly do a past paper and see which questions you keep losing marks in. Is it the application questions? I'm going to guess it is. Or is it more of the calculation? Application questions are usually 1 markers, and it's so difficult to kind of point out what it is they're trying to say. So it's most likely going to be something along the lines of like, why is the actual value not the same as what is expected? Why is the efficiency not 100%? Why was the energy that is actually measured less than the amount that was calculated? Things like that. It's just getting used to questions like those, which you can do by doing more practice papers. If you already do a bunch of practice papers and yet still make mistakes on those type of questions, then what you want to do is to make a flashcard of model answers. Or you can use my model answer booklets. The free sample is already in the link in my bio. Just make sure to take a look at your junk mail in case it doesn't go through. If it is the calculations, then you want to build up on your mathematical strengths first before you go back into doing the chemistry, biology, physics calculations. Because what you are looking at here is most likely that you're making mistakes on rearranging, standard form, significant figures, ratios, percentage, those kind of things that you will need the mathematical concepts first before you actually go into the learning bit in chemistry. I meant science. And if it's neither of those, then you're going to make a rag sheet instead. To make a rag sheet, you basically just want to do a red, amber, and green highlight for each of the topics that you're good at, bad at, kind of okay with. As you can probably imagine, red is for the ones that you're bad at, green is for the ones that you're good at, and orange is for the ones that you're kind of okay with. For the red topics, you're going to go straight into watching YouTube videos of those topics. Amber is the ones where you're going to do topic questions while watching the YouTube videos and using the mark scheme. And the green topics are the ones that you're only going to do the topic questions blindly and then checking with the mark scheme afterwards and fixing your mistakes by using the mark scheme answers. You want to make flashcards of the mistakes that you make. You want to make flashcards of the keywords, and aside from that, you'll be fine. And just in time for this crane to be done. A symbol of hope if you didn't know.